Yunus alayhi salam, it is reported that when he was down in the belly of the fish, in the darkness of the water, at the bottom, darkness, the angels were saying, "Oh Allah, the one who does your tasbih with a beautiful voice every day, today the same voice is calling from a totally different place seeking your help." What miracle happened? The fish spat him out. He came out. He was not even proper in terms of his skin and so on. Allah helped and he was cured and everything happened. Something impossible today, when you tell people, they might think this is a fairy tale. Wallahi, we have yaqeen. It happened. It is true. That's Allah. It's in the Quran. It's in the previous books too. Our version is the correct one. Why? Because Allah says there, فَلَوْلَا أَنَّهُ كَانَ مِنَ الْمُسَبِّحِينَ لَلَبِثَ فِي بَطْنِهِ إِلَى يَوْمِ يُبْعَثُونَ. Had he not been from among those who constantly engaged in tasbih, he would have remained in the belly of the whale until forever. What does that mean? Because he was close to Allah during days of ease, at a time of difficulty and hardship, here's Allah throws his rope to you straight away. I guarantee you, in your life and in mine, that is Allah. Inna wa'dallahi haqq. When Allah promises you something, there's no doubt. Yes, it's his timing, not yours. You might make a dua, say, but Allah's not hearing. Don't even think that. Allah will give you when the time is right. Every minute of delay is an absolute blessing. May Allah Almighty grant us all goodness. أقول قولي هذا وصلى الله على نبينا محمد.